Okay, YouTube. Figured I'd go ahead and post something about these delete kits out there. This EGR delete plate goes in the back of my 2016 Duramax LML. Put the delete kit on, took it for a ride, and had this squealing sound, just screeching. I mean, you could hear it in the cab. It was terrible. Anytime I built boost, about 12 to 1400 RPMs. So went through, started running the truck about 1400 RPMs where it was making the sound, and then blowing soapy water on the plates that I installed. Here's a plate in the front, that black one, and then the plate goes in the back over here. So what I found out is there's a piece of metal right here that's been contacting the plate. That didn't allow this to seal all the way. So I'm going to take a angle grinder and grind this off so it doesn't contact it anymore. You can't really see back in there. But other fixes I've heard for it was just put a bunch of RTV on it, which I don't really care for RTV high temp silicone. I'd rather just have it seal the way it's supposed to. So there you go, simple as that. Just got to get this bastard plate back out and trim this off, bolt it back up. Shouldn't leak anymore.